Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to visit Sequoia National Park. To begin, planning your trip during the spring or fall offers the best weather and fewer visitors, making for a more enjoyable experience. Always check the park's official website before you go for the latest updates on road conditions, potential closures, and any entry requirements. If you anticipate visiting several national parks within a 12-month period, consider investing in a national park pass. It can save you money. Sequoia National Park has two primary entrances. The most common is the Ash Mountain entrance, located on the park's southern side, easily reached by following Highway 198. Alternatively, the Big Stump entrance on the north side provides access, often leading into the adjacent Kings Canyon National Park. Remember, certain park roads, such as the Scenic Generals Highway, might have specific vehicle length limitations, so check ahead to ensure your vehicle complies. Once inside, you'll find incredible sights. A highlight is the giant forest, home to the General Sherman tree, recognized as the world's largest tree by volume. For a deeper immersion, hike the Congress Trail, winding through many other magnificent giant sequoias. Don't miss Morro Rock. Climbing its 400 steps rewards you with breathtaking panoramic views of the Great Western Divide and the surrounding wilderness. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip, remember a few key tips. Always carry ample water, snacks, and dress in layers, as mountain weather can change rapidly. If you plan to stay overnight, secure your lodging reservations far in advance, particularly during busy periods. Most importantly, practice leave no trace principles by packing out everything you pack in, helping preserve the park's pristine natural beauty for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.